Element symbols and the periodic table. Each element in the periodic table has a unique symbol, which usually consists of two letters, a capital letter followed by a lowercase letter. There are a number of elements whose symbols are a single letter, which is always capitalized, and a few, those without official names as yet, with three letters, one capital and two lowercase letters. Around the symbol, we have four areas in which we might find information about the particular atom. Below and to the left of the symbol is the atomic number. The symbol Z is often used to represent the atomic number. This is the same as the number of protons. This number is often omitted if we know the symbol, because there is only one atomic number for each symbol. Above and to the left is the mass number. This is the sum of the number of protons and the number of neutrons, and is close to, but not exactly the same as, the mass of the atom in AMUs, atomic mass units. The mass number is used to identify particular isotopes of an element, such as carbon-14. The 14 is the mass number of the isotope. The different isotopes of an atom have the same number of protons and electrons in the neutral atom, and therefore the same chemical properties, but different numbers of neutrons, and therefore different masses. Above and to the right is the charge of the atom. This is the number of protons minus the number of electrons. If no number is written, there is no charge. That is, the charge is zero. The sign is always written if there is a charge, to be perfectly clear. Below and to the right is the number of atoms in the substance. The periodic table is a regular arrangement of the elements. They are arranged in order of increasing atomic number so that the elements with similar properties are in the same column. Periods are horizontal rows in the periodic table. Groups, or families, are vertical columns in the periodic table. Elements in the same group have similar chemical properties. The periods are numbered 1 through 7 from the top. The groups are numbered 1 through 18 from left to right for the columns in the main body of the table. You will still see an older numbering system, 1 through 8, A and B, that is a relic of Mendeleev's original table and ordering. Five groups are known by their names: groups 1, 2, 16, 17, and 18. These are all tall columns in the table. In addition, the 10 shorter columns and 2 partial rows below the main body are known as the transition metals. The 2 partial rows are also known as the inner transition metals. Broadly, elements can be broken into 3 types. Nonmetals are found on the right of the table, plus hydrogen. Metalloids, also known as semimetals, are found along the stair-step line of the table. These do not include, however, aluminum and polonium. The rest of the elements, on the left side of the table, are metals. There are 7 elements that are diatomic, that is, their molecules have 2 atoms. These are all nonmetals. You should learn these and know them. In addition, 2 other common nonmetals occur as polyatomics: phosphorus, P4, and sulfur, S8. Atoms form monatomic ions whose charges are related to where they are in the periodic table. Cations are formed by the metals through the loss of electrons. Anions are formed by nonmetals through the gaining of electrons. Elements in the same group form ions of the same charge.